Creating a requisition. Hover over Main Menu Stores and select Requisitions. Select the part number. Select Task Card. Add quantity required. Press the pin to the right of the quantity field. Once requested, it is possible to see what stock is available and issued parts. Press Notify Stores to email the requisition to the store. The store personnel will select the action Open on the email to open the store parts issue page. Or the store personnel will place the part on order and link the purchase to the task card. See the Stores and Purchase Orders Reporting Help file for requisition reporting.